Are you having issues installing Microsoft Office 13? Do you not know where to start? Well, then this screener is just for you. The first thing I want you to do is make sure you've got all Microsoft programs closed. For instance, if you are currently running Microsoft Outlook 2010, this may give you some issues when you're doing the installation. We're going to start by going to the Software Center. So if you click on the Start button, you can either click in this box and search for Software Center, or we can actually go to it manually. So I'm going to click All Programs, Microsoft System Center 2012, and it's under Configuration Manager. It's called the Software Center. This is going to open it up. This is all the available software the district has for us to download ourselves onto our machines. And it may take just a minute to load. Now once it's loaded, you'll notice that Microsoft 2013 is actually not available in this portion of Software Center. So we need to click the button up here that says Find Additional Applications. This will direct you to a website that requires you to log in, and it's your same username and password that you use to log into machines. So I'm going to enter my credentials real quick. And this is going to bring us to the Software Center online portion where Office 2013 is housed. I'm going to select the software that I want to install, and it says Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013, and then I'm going to click on Install. Keep in mind this is a very long process, and so it can take up to 45 minutes, especially if you're installing on a netbook or a laptop which is using the Wi-Fi. Right now To verify that my installation has started, you can actually navigate back to the Software Center. So I'm going to minimize this internet window. If you click on Installation Status, it will show you the status of all softwares that are currently being downloaded. So I can see that mine has started and it's currently at 5%. At this time, I would like to remind you that especially over the Wi-Fi, this installation may take quite a bit of time. So do be patient and make sure your computer is connected to a charger. Alright, and it looks like our installation has finally finished. It says the software installed successfully and can now be used. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and click OK and close the Software Center. If we wanted to double check and make sure that we installed correctly, we can go down to the Start menu, All Programs, and we should see now there's a folder for Microsoft Office 2013. If you had links on your desktop to any of the programs, you certainly can create those now. So if I go down to Outlook, right click, send to, I'm going to select desktop, so it's going to create me a shortcut. And if I were to go out here, I could see now Outlook is accessible. When you double click any of the programs, it might tell you that it's preparing to install, and so it's going to take a few minutes to configure and then reconnect to your account, but that's not a problem. If you had any issues during the install, say it says the installation has failed or you receive another error message, you can go back to the Software Center. So start All Programs, System Center, and Software Center. We want to double check and make sure that it didn't install partially, and so you can uninstall what is already installed and then try an installation again, or you can always put in a work order and one of the Seans will come out and take a look.